Hey everybody, it's your boy, Engineer's Blueprint, and we're about to dive into the world of concrete, steel, and some serious earning potential. That's right, we're talking about the top high-paying civil engineering jobs in 2025. Bridges that seem to defy gravity, skyscrapers that touch the clouds, even those perfectly engineered roundabouts that make traffic flow like a well-choreographed dance. It's all thanks to civil engineers. The job market for civil engineers is booming, and with the right specialization, you'll be raking in the big bucks. So buckle up, because we're about to break down the most in-demand and highest-paying civil engineering jobs that will have you saying, "Show me the money." First up, we've got the rock stars of the civil engineering world, the project managers. These are the folks who call the shots, the ones who keep those massive projects on track and under budget. Imagine being in charge of building a state-of-the-art stadium, a towering skyscraper, or a complex network of underground tunnels. Project managers are among the highest-paid professionals in civil engineering, often raking in over $100,000 per year. And trust me, that's just the beginning. As you gain experience and tackle bigger, more complex projects, that number can skyrocket. But it's not just about the paycheck, right? It's about the thrill of the challenge, the satisfaction of seeing a project through from conception to completion. Think about it. Every time you drive across a bridge, walk into a skyscraper, or even flush your toilet, hey, someone had to design the sewage system. You're witnessing the handiwork of a skilled project manager. So, what does it take to be the conductor of this concrete symphony? Well, you'll need a solid foundation in civil engineering principles, of course. But you'll also need exceptional leadership, communication, and problem-solving skills. It's a high-pressure job, no doubt, but for those who thrive on challenge and responsibility, it's the ultimate reward. Project managers often get to travel to different project sites, work with cutting-edge technology, and rub shoulders with some of the biggest names in the industry. So, if you're a natural-born leader with a passion for building the future, project management might just be your calling. Alright, let's move on to the masterminds behind those jaw-dropping structures that seem to defy gravity. Structural engineers. These are the folks who make sure buildings don't fall down, bridges can handle the heaviest loads, and roller coasters give you that perfect mix of terror and exhilaration. If you were the kid who built elaborate Lego towers and dreamt of creating real-life megastructures, this is your jam. Structural engineers are the artists of the engineering world, using their knowledge of physics, materials, and design software to create structures that are both beautiful and functional. And let's not forget about the earning potential. On average, structural engineers make a comfortable $85,000 a year. But here's the thing, specialize in a high-demand area like earthquake engineering or sustainable design, and you can easily break into the six-figure club. It's about the pride of seeing your creations come to life, of knowing that you've played a vital role in shaping the skyline. Imagine designing a skyscraper that can withstand hurricane-force winds, a bridge that spans a mile-wide river, or a concert hall with perfect acoustics. To become a structural engineer, you'll need a strong foundation in mathematics, physics, and structural analysis. You'll also need to be proficient in design software and have a keen eye for detail. But for those who love to solve complex puzzles and see their ideas take shape in the real world, it's an incredibly rewarding career path. Plus, let's be real, how cool is it to tell people at parties that you're a structural engineer? You'll be the life of the party, I guarantee it. Alright, buckle up, speed demons, because we're about to talk about the engineers who keep the world moving. Transportation engineers. These are the masterminds behind our roads, bridges, airports, and public transportation systems. They're the ones who make sure you can get from point A to point B safely, efficiently, and hopefully without too much traffic. Now, with the rise of smart cities and the ever-increasing demand for sustainable transportation solutions, transportation engineers are in higher demand than ever before. We're talking flying cars, hyperloops, self-driving vehicles. The future of transportation is here, and these engineers are leading the charge. And guess what? This surge in demand translates into some seriously impressive salaries. On average, transportation engineers earn around $90,000 per year. But with the right specialization and experience, you can easily cruise past that six-figure mark. It's about making a real difference in people's lives. It's about designing transportation systems that reduce congestion, improve air quality, and connect communities. Imagine designing a high-speed rail network that connects major cities in record time, a smart traffic management system that eliminates gridlock, or a network of bike paths that encourages sustainable transportation. Now let's talk about the skills you'll need to succeed in this fast-paced field. You'll need a strong foundation in civil engineering principles, of course, but you'll also need to be proficient in transportation planning, traffic modeling, and design software. This is a field that requires a unique blend of technical expertise, creativity, and a passion for solving real-world problems. But for those who love to see their ideas come to life in the form of roads, bridges, and transit systems, it's an incredibly rewarding career path. Next time you're stuck in traffic, you can impress your fellow passengers by explaining the intricacies of traffic flow theory. Alright, eco-warriors, this one's for you. Let's talk about the engineers who are on the front lines of protecting our planet, environmental engineers. These are the folks who make sure our buildings are energy efficient, our water is clean, and our waste is managed responsibly. They're the superheroes of sustainability, fighting for a greener, healthier future. Now, with climate change becoming an increasingly urgent issue, the demand for environmental engineers is skyrocketing. Companies, governments, and organizations around the world are looking for talented engineers who can help them reduce their environmental impact and build a more sustainable future. And you know what that means? Big bucks. On average, environmental engineers earn a respectable $80,000 per year. But here's the kicker. Specialize in a high-demand area like renewable energy or climate change mitigation, and you can watch that salary soar even higher. It's about making a real difference in the world. Imagine designing a wastewater treatment plant that transforms sewage into clean energy, a solar-powered building that generates more energy than it consumes, or a system that captures carbon emissions and turns them into useful products. To become an environmental engineer, you'll need a solid foundation in civil engineering principles, of course, but you'll also need to be well-versed in environmental science, chemistry, and environmental regulations. This is a field that requires a unique blend of technical expertise, problem-solving skills, and a deep passion for protecting our planet. But for those who are driven by a desire to make a real difference, it's an incredibly fulfilling and rewarding career path. Plus, you'll be able to sleep soundly at night, knowing that you're using your skills to make the world a better, greener place. And who knows, you might even inspire others to join the fight for a sustainable future. Alright, tech-savvy engineers, this one's for you. Let's talk about the rock stars of the digital construction world. BIM specialists. BIM, or Building Information Modeling, is the future of construction. It's like having a digital twin of a building, bridge, or infrastructure project, allowing engineers to design, analyze, and manage every aspect of a project in a virtual environment. Now, with the construction industry rapidly adopting BIM technology, the demand for skilled BIM specialists is going through the roof. These are the folks who are shaping the future of construction, making it more efficient, sustainable, and cost-effective. And you know what that means? Cha-ching! BIM specialists are in high demand, commanding impressive salaries that can reach up to $95,000 per year. And as BIM technology continues to evolve and become even more sophisticated, those salaries are only going to go up. It's about being at the forefront of innovation in the construction industry. Imagine creating a virtual model of a skyscraper that allows you to walk through every room, test different design options, and identify potential clashes before construction even begins. Now let's talk about the skills you'll need to thrive in this exciting field. You'll need a solid foundation in civil engineering principles, of course, but you'll also need to be proficient in BIM software, such as Autodesk Revit, and have a keen eye for detail. This is a field that requires a unique blend of technical expertise, creativity, and a passion for using technology to solve real-world problems. But for those who are excited by the possibilities of digital construction, it's an incredibly rewarding and lucrative career path. While they're stuck using outdated 2D drawings, you'll be rocking the latest BIM software, creating stunning 3D models that will blow their minds. So there you have it, folks, the top high-paying civil engineering jobs in 2025. From managing mega projects to designing earthquake-resistant structures, from creating sustainable transportation systems to embracing the power of digital construction, the future of civil engineering is brimming with exciting opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned engineer looking to level up your career, or a student just starting out, now is the perfect time to dive into this dynamic and rewarding field. The demand for skilled civil engineers has never been higher, and with the right specialization, you can write your own ticket to success. The civil engineering industry is booming with opportunities. Which role excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career insights.